Hello and welcome to Proud Gardeners channel. Today we are going to discuss our follow-up video on the lemons we have planted lately, and now I will compare the results. We used two different methods. First one was method was we planted in this box, and the date was 28th of June 2020. And second one, I peeled the seeds and planted them into this pot. This is the pot, and now I will compare the results, that how these have grown. First of all, let's have a look at this pot and see the seedlings have grown up pretty much. It's a good, you can see these are the lemon and citrus trees, and I planted multiple seeds here, and you can see the multiple seeds have grown here, and here is the only one seed. And as far as the soil results, I'm pretty moved by these results. These are perfect ones. Now let's have a look at these results, which I planted into the pots on 28th of June 2020, and let's see how this goes. The result of these seeds were also awesome, and as you can see, these seeds have grown pretty awesome. Now I'll have to transfer them into the pot. I'll transfer these into the pots. So we have shifted these germinated seeds into the poly bags. Here are the two seeds which I have transferred in the poly bag, and I've planted all of these in one box, in one pot, so that once they will grow, and then I will shift one by one into another boxes. So that was it. I've shifted them in the soil as well, you can see. So if you're going to plant, then I would recommend you to use this method. This was the best method, and the results were pretty awesome as compared to these ones. We're planting them into the box, so I won't recommend this. I would recommend this one. So I will also cover with this with the dry leaves, because when I will water it, these leaves will hold the moisture. Okay, this is one of the most organic methods, and